one when you come to class tomorrow. 40%. Well, first thing to do, easiest one to do is to make it into a decimal or a fraction. I don't care. They're both pretty easy. DP, since it's right beside it. How do I get from a percent to a decimal? Percent to decimal, I have to move 2 places to the left. Here's my decimal. This is a whole number. 1, 2. So its decimal looks like decimal 4 or decimal 4, 0. Does it matter if you include the 0? No, it doesn't. It is simply a placeholder. 40 hundredths is the same as 4 tenths. So now to write it as a fraction, it could either be 4 tenths if you want, or if you want to write it as 40 100ths. Does it matter? No, it does not. They both, however, can simplify, so they do need simplified. 4 tenths divides by 2, leaving us with 2 fifths. So our fraction for this is 2 fifths. Now we need to shade enough pieces of this picture to represent 2 fifths. So if you count the number of boxes again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many total boxes do we have? 20. We need to know how many of those get shaded so that it will represent 2 fifths. Equivalent fractions. How do I get from 5 to 20? Times 4. What I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. 2 times 4 is 8. How many squares need to be shaded in this box to represent 40%, 4 tenths, or 2 fifths? They're all the same. Shade the appropriate number of boxes in that box. Bring it back to class with you tomorrow, and we will go over it then. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.